David was driving his Model 3 down a highway in California when he noticed traffic ahead slowing down, prompting him to change lanes to avoid getting stuck in traffic. His sudden lane change must have triggered the new driver of a Honda Civic he'd gotten in front of, because he started tailgating and high-beaming David to express his disapproval. As soon as traffic began to clear, David accelerated to put some distance between his Tesla and the unstable Honda driver. Evidently, he interpreted this as a challenge, and he floored the accelerator to pass David in the exit lane before cutting across the entire highway. When the HOV lane opened up, David moved into it before accelerating. Still triggered, the Honda driver illegally entered the HOV lane across the double white lines before continuing to tailgate and flash his high beams. A full minute later, he again crossed the double white line to pass David, gesturing a chef's kiss before speeding away. Sadly for him, a CHP officer had been following him and had witnessed his illegal entry into and exit from the HOV lane. The officer quickly caught up before turning on the party lights and pulling the Honda driver over for some instant justice. John was driving his Tesla Model Y in Bel Air, Maryland, when he watched an oncoming dump truck run a red light before smashing into an SUV. John stopped and called emergency services, then remained at the scene until first responders arrived. He provided his Teslacam footage to responding police officers before leaving. Two of the cops told him it was their first time sitting in a Tesla, and they thanked John for waiting and sharing his footage with them. Wes was driving his Model 3 in Tulsa when he watched the SUV ahead of him T-bone a minivan that had turned through a gap left in traffic. Wes stopped and checked on everyone involved in the collision. Firefighters responded to the scene, but thankfully nobody was seriously injured. Wes offered his Teslacam footage before continuing on his way. Wes told us he, his mother, and his brother watch every Wham Bam video together. If you're a Wham Bam fan, T-bone the subscribe button while we roll the next submission. Mario was taking his girlfriend Candela home in his Model 3 when a driver he described as very drunk rear-ended them while they were going over a speed bump. Both drivers pulled over and made an insurance claim. Repairing Mario's Model 3 cost about $7,000 US and took a month after the replacement parts took 5 days to arrive. Jose was celebrating his sister's birthday at her house and had left his Model 3 parked. Suddenly, he received a phone notification that Sentry mode had been activated. A driver had backed into Jose's Tesla, shoving it back into a barbecue grill and the garage door before fleeing the scene. Little did he know, Jose's Teslacam had recorded everything. Jose contacted the person the other driver had been visiting and had them reach out to their friend, informing him that Jose had video footage he'd turn over to the police if he didn't return. Thankfully, he did return before exchanging insurance information with Jose, and his insurance provider paid over $3,700 US to repair Jose's Tesla. James was driving his Tesla Model Y when he encountered a tow truck towing a car. Suddenly, the car it was towing lost a wheel, which went rolling down the highway. Thankfully, the driver of a pickup in the far lane noticed what happened and immediately slowed down to avoid hitting the wild wheel. Tony was on his way to work around 5 a.m. in his Tesla Model Y when he heard a loud vehicle approaching from behind. When he looked back, he spotted a Chevy Camaro being pushed along by a pickup truck. At first, Tony thought it was a road rage incident, but after reviewing his Teslacam footage, he thinks the pickup driver might have been trying to help the Camaro driver. They do seem to be moving along pretty quickly, and it doesn't look like the Camaro driver was attempting to stop or slow down. What do you think? Post your theory in the comments. Jordan was driving his Model Y following behind a friend driving the pickup truck ahead after his friend agreed to help him transport a brand new refrigerator. Watch what happened 10 miles down the road. Jordan and his friend both pulled over, then loaded the refrigerator into his friend's truck on its back. Thankfully, no vehicles hit the fridge after it fell into the road, and based on this photo Jordan sent, it looks like the fridge wasn't damaged. Chris was driving his Tesla Model 3 Performance down a highway in Murray, Utah. As he cruised along, another driver suddenly crossed 6 lanes to reach an exit. Thankfully, Chris noticed what was happening and slowed down to avoid a collision, continuing along without incident until a rock chipped his windshield 2 miles later. Dope! Chris was returning from a long road trip with his girlfriend, traveling from Seattle to the Bay Area in his 1-week-old Tesla Model Y Performance. His girlfriend Vicky was supervising full self-driving at the time, while Chris was just starting to doze off in the passenger seat. When the Tesla suddenly slowed down, Chris woke up to see empty trash cans tumbling down the road. Right away, Vicky told him, "You finally have something for Wham Bam Teslacam." Vincent was on his way to the Copenhagen airport in his Tesla Model 3 when a cyclist suddenly appeared to his right. As soon as he spotted an opening, the cyclist crossed the road between Vincent and a van, but he hadn't noticed a huge semi-truck coming the other way. Thankfully, the trucker was paying attention and a disaster was averted. Nick captured a crazy moment while driving in Louisiana when a driver failed to yield to an approaching Ford F-150, prompting a wild reaction. As it turned out, the F-150 driver was Nick's friend Tony. They drive past each other every morning as they each head to work. Nick called Tony to make sure he was okay, and thankfully it was only a scary close call. As Drake's mother was on her way home, she had no idea her arrival would be anything but routine. As she approached their gate, she accidentally floored the accelerator instead of the brake pedal. Thankfully, the impact didn't deploy the airbags and nobody was injured, and the only damage was done to the passenger side fender. Flo was driving her Tesla Model 3 in Germany when she noticed a box truck stuck in the snow, so she quickly made a U-turn and headed back to help. After only a few attempts, Flo was able to use her Tesla's tow hitch to pull the truck out of the snow. I think this should really put to bed the myth that electric cars are underpowered. With everyone involved happy with the results, Flo continued on her way. Cassandra had left her Model 3 parked near her friend's house when it captured some very strange behavior. A man she immediately recognized as her neighbor Oscar approached her Tesla before spitting on it. When she confronted him about it, he admitted that he'd done it intentionally. Imagine having such a pleasant person as your neighbor. Yikes! Dominic was driving his Tesla Model Y down a highway on his way to a store when he watched a white sedan pass him on the left at high speed. Out of nowhere, the sedan swerved to the right and crossed the entire highway before heading back across and slamming into the median guardrail. Dominic thinks the driver must have been distracted by their phone. By the way, this is the second time Dominic has been featured on Wham Bam Teslacam. We'll put a link to the episode containing his previous submission at the end of this video. This subscriber's wife was on her way to go shopping in moderately heavy traffic when she approached an intersection as the traffic light began to change. As she slowed down, she could see a driver ahead preparing to make a U-turn. When the SUV began to move, the driver of a Ford pickup truck accelerated hard to beat the light, completely failing and nearly T-boning the SUV. Worth it to reach your destination 2 minutes sooner, am I right? This subscriber was sitting in their Tesla Cybertruck when a random driver pulled up next to them, flipping them off for literally no reason at all. Our subscriber assured us there'd been no previous interaction between them and this other person, so they have no idea what this was about. What's your theory? After telling our subscriber that the Cybertruck is number one, the stranger drove away, but we all know the Cybertruck is still living in their head rent-free. Lemon Jello was driving their Tesla Model Y when they spotted something unusual in the road. A calf had escaped its enclosure and gotten lost in the road, so our subscriber and another driver joined forces to guide it back through a hole in the fence. Lemon Jello told us they could see adult cattle watching events unfold from the other side of the fence. This subscriber was driving in Virginia Beach when he spotted a red Camaro driving along on a flat tire. Only the sidewalls of the tire remained. Talk about a run flat. Don't forget to go watch Dominic's previous submission and subscribe so you won't miss next week's episode. We'll see you then.